Hi there, Hugo. Hope you're having a good time in London. As your video lesson for today, 4 things I want to talk about. I'll go down the list. If you have questions at the end, have your mom or dad shoot me over a message, and I'll be more than happy to answer. So cool, let's get to it. So up until this point, we've done E minor pentatonic box. Let's see, we did box 1, and we got box 5, and we may have box 2 in there, I think, as well. So what that means is time for box 4. I've tabbed out box 4 here on the handout that goes along with this lesson. I'll go through it slow though. So 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 9, 8, 10, 7, 10. Right? The same way that you can jam and do your sequences and patterns and things over in this box, same thing holds true for this one. What I even might try to do, or actually what you should do, is see if you can play the notes of E minor pentatonic on one string. What I mean by that is, say if I take the first string, like 7, 10 right here, for box 4, go up here to box 5, and then box 1, and then box 2. Right, so I can do patterns like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and transition through the boxes. So I'm not stuck in this vertical position here, but I have I can go horizontal across the neck. So practice that for me. Next thing is a question. What notes are in E minor pentatonic? You should know what notes that you're playing in the scale. So the way you figure that out is you already know root 5, root 6 pretty well, right? Or you should. And what you'll do is you'll just figure them out by going, okay, so you have E, G, right? For example, they'll be notes. Then you have, oh, Q, and then R right here in the scale, right? And then, oh, I have S, T over here, and then W, V, and then Y, Z, and then A, B, right? So you can go through and figure out, through using root 5, root 6, through the different boxes, what notes are in there. And then you put them in order. You put them in alphabetical order at that point. So it starts on, it's E minor pentatonic, chances are there's going to be E in there. So you put E first, and then the next letter in the musical alphabet, that would be there. So remember, you're not going to use like all the letters. You're not going to use E, F, G, A, B, C, right? That's something different. So you're going to skip letters, but you should know in order what notes you have. So be able to do that for me for next time. Name those notes, and then at that point we'll probably start the magic triangle. Probably about high time for us to start work on that. Number 3 is something for you to do when you get back. Is you and Cole are going to be doing a jam session for the recital. Now remembering that we have next week, and then that's recital time. So if you get back in time, what I would highly suggest doing is doing a group lesson or duo lesson with Cole on Thursday if you're back in time. Definitely for next Tuesday and definitely for next Thursday, and then get together a lot in between those lessons to practice your parts, because we need to set up what we're going to do. And then lastly is starting on our new project, Sweet Home Chicago, Robert Johnson tune, old Delta Blues song. So this right here, you have is the intro figure. 4, 4, and I use my middle finger and my ring finger. Scooch down a half step to 3 and 3. Another half step. And then I strum an E chord, and then a B7 chord. Right? So the B7 chord I think is a new one for us. I've tabbed it out for you right here in this chord diagram. Right? So practice getting that chord on, off, on, off, on, off. Practice between E and then the B7. If you notice right here, look at the middle finger. So you have this. And then I believe at that point, so on and so forth. So we'll start talking about that boogie bass line that's so popular in this style of blues. Cool, work on those 4 things for me. Make sure to practice a lot when you get back in town, because remember that you have a recital in about a week and a half. If there are no questions, I will see you same time next time. Take care, guys.